the Igbo are marginalized, blah, blah, blah. A lot of you lie. Every day you say you stand up for Igbo. This IBB's book, this IBB's new revelation is supposed to be a kickoff point to actually come out and talk. Actually come out and demand. With your forefathers suffer for how many years? Finally, one truth don't come out. Finally, that's not the whole truth though. Finally, IBB decides, okay, won't give now one truth. It was not an Igbo coup. It was a narrative pushed against the Igbos, which led to a lot of buying, which led to a lot of destruction to the Igbo names. And finally, this man can't talk. I would say now, I see the expression, okay, yes, I go see some bunch of Igbo youth for streets. At least do a peaceful protest, do a peaceful walk for your forefathers were by because of this lie. Just do one small walk, maybe like 500 Igbo youth, just walk and do something. Nothing. None of the Igbo influencers, none of the Igbo celebrities did nothing.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. So my people, in this particular video, Very Dark Man is kind of, feeling disappointed about how Igbos have been reacted concerning this revelation from IBB. He said that Igbos supposed to, do march or protest, especially Igbo youth, He said that every time Igbos are saying that they have been marginalized, that this and that this is only opportunity for them to show that they are really not happy about how they're being treated in Nigeria. That even the big men in Igbo land, like they are not even saying anything after this revelation. This to show that all this talk on the internet, this and that, is political motivated. But first of all, let me allow you guys to watch what he said here. We are going to come back for more discussion and also read that what Igbos are saying concerning this particular video Very Dark Man made, saying that Igbo youth supposed to do protest or 1 million march. Just take a listen.
So I'm going to say this thing without holding back anything, right? The truth is that a lot of these Igbo youth, especially those ones on Twitter, I'm beginning to believe that a lot of you are politically sponsored and politically motivated to say a lot of things. A lot of you just lie and hide under the, oh, we are standing for Igbos. The Igbo are marginalized, blah, blah, blah. A lot of you lie. Every day you say you stand up for Igbo. This IBB's book, this IBB's new revelation is supposed to be a kickoff point to actually come out and talk. Actually come out and demand. With your forefathers suffer for how many years? Finally, one truth don't come out. Finally, that's not the whole truth though. Finally, IBB decides, okay, won't give now one truth. It was not an Igbo coup. It was a narrative pushed against the Igbos, which led to a lot of buying, which led to a lot of destruction to the Igbo names. And finally, this man can't talk. I would say now, I see the expression, okay, yes, I go see some bunch of Igbo youth for streets. At least do a peaceful protest, do a peaceful walk for your forefathers were by because of this lie. Just do one small walk, maybe like 500 Igbo youth, just walk and do something. Nothing. None of the Igbo influencers, none of the Igbo celebrities did nothing. But every day when somebody talk about maybe one of our brother where they do bad, now go say, why is he always attacking the Igbos? He hates the Igbos. Nobody hates the Igbos more than the Igbos. I said it. Nobody hates the Igbos more than the Igbos. Before you start fighting other people, you have to first fight within yourself. I never see an Anambra man where stand up. I never see a Nugu man where stand up. I never see a Ebonyi man where stand up. I never see this guy stand up. Just do a walk for your forefathers. Do one. Una to stay for Twitter up and down. No walkings. If one Yoruba man talk, if you have someone talk, if another time, but no walkings. Your forefathers will be embarrassed. They'll be ashamed. They'll be rolling in their grave. You can say Very Dark Man won't chase cloud, no problem. Say anything you want to say. But I just have to get this off my chest. Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. All of you. I said the way a lot of these Igbo big men, the way they shut up for this news. The way a lot of them, they say they don't even hear what the man talk. They shut up. Mono talk, Modo talk. They be our sponsors. Oh. They go always act as if, okay, yes, they support Igbos for public. But for back, they go collect finance from the same people where they claim say they fight. And I want you, a lot of you, the youth, I want you people to understand today that all this tribalism and everything, now from down, oh, you see at the top, it's not like that, oh. Those guy men, they flex, they do things together. They chill. I don't even see a campaign that says arrest IBB. Let him pay for his crime. Again, you cannot cry more than the bereaved. One that they talk to one Igbo guy, no be even Igbo guy, that guy said na Igbo Ijo. One Ijo guy and I just met a few days ago from Bayelsa. He talks, very dark man, yeah, this protesting you're talking about, man, let's do it. I say, my brother, I feel stand up now and say, okay, yes, for what the Igbo went through, okay, I say, concern Nigeria, when I feel say, okay, yes, true, they marginalize them. I say, I think I placard Wakana, somebody go, does it, you did chase clout, you just want to get followed. That's what they always say. They don't believe anybody if you say something genuinely, unless if the person won't gain, and that is the problem I have. I say, but tomorrow, talk about, say, Lord, do this one, do this one. Maybe one Igbo man just crossfire, enter inside where very dark man lying there. He doesn't like Igbos. Oh yeah, you were like Igbos. Where are you now? Go now. Come out now. Come and represent your people now. They don't talk true. Where go clear your name? Your ancestors' name, your ancestors' name. You go clear them. Come outside. They don't clear their name. Come outside, can't talk. Come outside, can't stand. No. Oh yeah, bargain. Say me they live in the Kalu. No. Shame on all of that, especially those ones on Twitter. No level. Not even on talk from today. See, I can never take any of you serious again. Never. Now no get level. Now no get one level. Now no get rubbish.
So my people, that is it. I hope you guys heard what Very Dark Man said in this particular video, which I quite agree with him in some extent, especially when he said that since this revelation from IBB book, like how many Igbos, especially the big men, the influencers, have you seen that came out boldly and speak about this topic? Like how many? Even the other video that I said that most of these things that are happening to Igbos, our so-called leaders are also contributing. For example, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS custody. Kuche, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's brother, came out and said that even our so-called governors that came out the other time and said that they are going to talk to Tinubu, they are having meeting with Tinubu. Very soon, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released. Nnamdi Kanu's brother came out and they exposed them that they have not even called Tinubu that they are coming to meet him, let alone of have discussed anything about Nnamdi Kanu with Tinubu. So after this revelation from IBB, like how many of our people have you seen that came out, especially our leaders? Even the so-called Ohaneze Igbo that requested the 10 trillion naira. Now we are hearing that people that made this request, they're not even the original Ohaneze Igbo. So my question right now is, after this revelation from IBB, Ohaneze Igbo have not even said anything about this. Like seriously? Anyway, that is by the way. So, Very Dark Man saying that Igbo influencers, the big men, leaders, are kind of, less concerned about this revelation. They are not coming out to say anything. He's very, very right about that. But where I did not agree with him is saying that if we did not come out to do protest or march or whatever, like Igbos are cowards, like they don't really know what they want in Nigeria. It's like Very Dark Man have forgotten the history in Nigeria. Like anything that happened in Nigeria, they will target Igbo. Even some protests that Igbos did not participate, they even target Igbo protests. And which country are you going to do protest to? Like, which country are you going to do peaceful protest? In this country called Nigeria, you want to do peaceful protest. Does Nigeria government know what is peaceful protest? So you want them to come out on the street so that the so-called Nigeria government will now use that opportunity to finish what they have started. No, it's not happening. We Igbos, we Igbo youth, we are not doing any march. We are not doing any work. We are not doing any protest. Yes, my people. Okay, what about the revelation from IBB about Yorubas? You know, that the so-called 1993 election is Abiola that won that election. Like Yoruba supposed to be on the street right now doing protests, right? So Igbos are not doing any protest. So I don't know what he called it, cowardness or whatever, but we are not protesting because we have seen the antecedent of Igbos in Nigeria when it comes to protest. Igbos are not even protesting. They are just buying them anyhow, and they want them to come out so that these people will now use the opportunity to finish what they have started. No Igbo person is protesting anything. Yes. So my people, I don't know what you think. I believe that some Igbos are quite agree with what Very Dark Man said, saying that yes, they're supposed to come out to protest, and many of them say that they are not doing any protest. Even Igbos that are doing protests in Southeast by staying at home, they are still buying them. So what if they come out to protest? That's gonna be worse, right? So Igbos are not protesting, period. So my people, I don't know what you think. I would love you guys to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think that protest or march or walk is necessary in this particular matter? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Through comment, we all are learning. And also share the video. Give this video a thumbs up as well, so that YouTube will recommend it for other people to watch. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And I will see you guys in my next update. Goodbye for now.
Welcome to channel.